The living room entertainment ecosystem is on the verge of a massive, unprecedented transformation, and the device at the center of this revolution is something you probably use every single day without realizing its true hidden potential. For years, the streaming box market has been stagnant, caught in a repetitive cycle of minor incremental updates, slightly faster processors, and standard interface tweaks that barely justify a purchase. But behind closed doors in Cupertino, a massive shift has been brewing that will completely redefine how we interact with our televisions, our smart homes, and our home entertainment setups. Industry insiders, supply chain leaks, and recent operating system developments have confirmed that a massive hardware leap is fully finalized, sitting in production warehouses and waiting for the perfect strategic moment to drop. We are looking at a device that bridges the gap between high-end console gaming, localized artificial intelligence, and cinematic home audio. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. This upcoming hardware powerhouse, the highly anticipated next-generation Apple TV 4K 2026, is not just another streaming puck designed to launch Netflix a fraction of a second faster. It represents a fundamental architectural shift, marking the exact moment that Apple decides to take over your living room by deploying elite smartphone silicon directly into a home entertainment hub. To truly understand why the tech community is losing its collective mind over the Apple TV 4K 2026, we have to look closely at the shocking reality behind its delayed release schedule. Trusted industry analysts and supply chain reports confirmed that Apple had actually finalized the physical design and production pipelines for this exact model quite some time ago. The hardware is fully baked, completely manufactured, and technically ready to ship to retail shelves around the globe. Yet, Apple deliberately held back the launch, creating a massive wave of speculation and frustration among tech enthusiasts who noticed that the current streaming market was desperately due for an upgrade. The reason for this calculated delay is entirely strategic and intimately tied to a massive software revolution. Apple refused to launch this version of the Apple TV 4K 2026 until their next generation, deeply integrated artificial intelligence system, powered by an entirely overhauled Siri, was fully optimized and ready to operate locally on the machine. This is a massive departure from standard streaming devices that rely entirely on cloud servers to process voice requests. The tech giant is building a future where your television acts as the localized brain of your entire household, processing natural language, scanning hours of connected home security camera footage, and generating personalized content summaries entirely on device. This required a level of internal processing muscle that no previous home streaming device could ever hope to achieve, forcing the company to wait until the software layer matched the sheer power of the new silicon engine. At the very core of this upcoming streaming monster lies a piece of silicon that fundamentally changes the game for home theater boxes. The Apple TV 4K 2026 is trading its aging architecture for the legendary A17 Pro chip, built on a cutting-edge 3-nanometer fabrication process. To put this into perspective, previous models utilized chips pulled from standard base model smartphones, which were excellent for rendering user interfaces and decoding standard 4K video streams, but lacked the raw graphical horsepower to handle intensive, sustained computing tasks. By introducing the A17 Pro chip alongside a massive jump to 8 GB of unified RAM, the Apple TV 4K 2026 instantly transforms from a simple media player into a localized supercomputer for your living room. This specific hardware configuration is the absolute baseline requirement for running Apple Intelligence on device. When you speak to your television, the system won't just look up titles on a distant server. It will understand context, manage complex multi-step smart home automation routines, and handle background data processing without a single hint of lag. The inclusion of 8 GB of RAM ensures that background applications never need to be forcefully closed, allowing you to seamlessly swap between a high-end application and a 4K HDR stream and a live home security feed instantly. It eliminates the friction of modern smart TV operating systems, providing a completely fluid, instantaneous user interface that feels less like waiting for apps to load and more like flipping through physical pages. This massive injection of raw silicon power opens up an entirely new frontier for the Apple TV 4K 2026, one that will directly challenge traditional home video game consoles. For over a decade, the idea of gaming on a streaming box was treated as a casual, afterthought feature, mostly populated by simple mobile ports and low-fidelity arcade titles that couldn't hold the attention of core gamers. The A17 Pro chip inside the Apple TV 4K 2026 completely shatters that limitation by introducing hardware-accelerated ray tracing and advanced Metal FX upscaling technologies directly into your home theater setup. This is the exact same silicon architecture that successfully ported massive AAA console titles like Resident Evil and Death Stranding onto mobile screens. When brought to a dedicated, actively cooled, or thermally optimized home chassis like the Apple TV 4K 2026, this chip can run sustained, heavy graphical workloads without thermal throttling. Gamers will be able to connect their favorite Bluetooth console controllers and experience native, console-quality lighting, hyper-realistic reflections, and highly stable frame rates directly on their massive living room displays. Apple is actively working to dismantle the software barriers that previously limited app sizes on tvOS, paving the way for massive, multi-gigabyte gaming experiences to be downloaded and played natively. It creates a massive, accessible entry point for families and casual gamers who want incredible, high-fidelity gaming experiences without spending hundreds of dollars on a dedicated, bulky gaming console. But a premium home theater device is only as good as its audio-visual capabilities, and this is where the Apple TV 4K 2026 caters directly to hardcore audiophiles and home cinema purists. For years, advanced users have expressed immense frustration with the limitations of standard streaming devices when integrated into complex, high-end audio setups. The Apple TV 4K 2026 addresses these exact pain points by completely upgrading its multimedia processing pipelines to support true, uncompressed, lossless audio formats. For the first time, users with dedicated, multi-channel home theater receivers and high-end speaker arrays will be able to experience pristine sound reproduction that captures every single subtle detail of a film's sound design, exactly as the director intended. Furthermore, the device introduces advanced HDMI pass-through capabilities, resolving a long-standing issue where the streaming box would force decode audio signals into a generic format before sending them to an external audio receiver. By allowing the raw bit stream to pass directly through to high-end audio processors, the Apple TV 4K 2026 ensures flawless compatibility with advanced spatial audio configurations, delivering immersive, multidimensional soundscapes that place the audience directly in the center of the acoustic action. Combined with comprehensive hardware decoding for modern video formats, including highly efficient AV1 decoding, the machine ensures that whether you are streaming a massive 4K Dolby Vision blockbuster or watching a high bitrate user-generated video, the visual output is perfectly optimized, completely smooth, and completely free of artifacting or color compression issues. The physical interaction with our home entertainment systems is also getting a massive, much-needed upgrade through a completely redesigned accessory framework. The iconic remote controller that accompanies the Apple TV 4K 2026 is undergoing a major technological evolution designed to eliminate one of the most common everyday household annoyances. Industry leaks reveal that the new remote will feature integrated ultra-wideband technology alongside built-in acoustic speakers. This means that the dreaded experience of a remote control slipping deep between couch cushions or disappearing into another room is officially a thing of the past. Users will be able to utilize precision tracking features on their personal mobile devices to find the exact, pinpoint location of their remote within inches, complete with visual directional arrows and directional audio alerts emitted directly from the remote itself. Is level of smart tracking integrates seamlessly into the broader ecosystem, making the remote feel less like an easily lost plastic accessory and more like an intelligent, trackable component of a modern smart home. Additionally, the touch-enabled ClickPad and external housing are receiving refined material upgrades, moving toward a highly durable, sustainable aluminum composition that feels incredibly premium in the hand, while offering enhanced tactile feedback for navigating complex user interfaces, timelines, and fast-forwarding through dense media scrubbing menus. Beyond individual entertainment and gaming, the Apple TV 4K 2026 is structurally engineered to serve as the absolute cornerstone and central nervous system of the modern smart home ecosystem. With the rollout of tvOS 27, Apple is leaning heavily into decentralized, secure home automation control. The device acts as a heavy-duty Matter controller and thread border router, meaning it can communicate directly, locally, and near instantly with hundreds of smart lights, locks, thermostats, and sensors scattered throughout a household. Instead of relying on slow, vulnerable cloud connections that fail the moment your external internet connection drops, the Apple TV 4K 2026 processes smart home commands locally within your private network. When combined with the incoming Apple Intelligence features, the system achieves a level of contextual awareness never before seen in a consumer device. For example, when connected to your HomeKit secure video cameras, the on-device AI can analyze live video feeds in real time using advanced private cloud compute protocols. It can generate highly descriptive text summaries of what is happening outside your home, recognize specific family members or delivery vehicles, and allow you to search through hours of recorded camera footage using simple, natural language voice commands directly through your television screen. You can sit on your couch and simply ask the system to show you every time a package was dropped off on the porch yesterday, and the device will instantly parse the data, clip the relevant segments, and display them on your screen without ever compromising your personal privacy or sending raw video feeds to external corporate servers.